This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, September 30th. I'm James Spann. Very warm the next few days, but a big cool down this weekend. Getting excited about that. If you like fall weather, let's go to some of the sky cam shots. The sky there mostly sunny today. First off, this is coming from Chehaw State Park in East Alabama. That's our sky cam from Gadsden. Lots of sun through fair weather cumulus clouds. And the same sky over Walker County. That is coming from the King Building in downtown Jasper. Got a big trough coming out of the Rockies, and that will be advancing a cold front down this way. That will likely arrive Friday. And hopefully we'll see some decent rain before the week is over as the front passes through. Temperatures this afternoon, mostly low and mid-80s. We've got 82 in Birmingham, 86 in Tuscaloosa. We'll expect upper 80s tomorrow and Thursday. That's almost 10 degrees above average for the first couple of days of October. But behind that upper trough, nice, cool, refreshing afternoon air. Temperatures only in the 50s across the Rockies, and we're going to feel that this weekend. Here's a watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet. Flash flood watches for parts of East Florida, and some freeze warnings over Northern California and Oregon. In terms of any severe weather, later today and tonight, a small slight risk over parts of South Dakota. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk of severe weather over Kansas and Missouri, Nebraska, parts of Iowa. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe weather over much of Arkansas and Missouri. But again, beyond that, no formal risks for Friday for us. There could be a strong storm, but severe weather, at least on an organized basis, is not expected. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days. This is through Tuesday evening of next week. The amounts vary from nearly 1.5 inches near the Tennessee Valley down to about 1/4 inch over southwest Alabama. We figure rain amounts across the I-20, I-59 corridors about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, and the bulk of that will be on Friday. In the tropics, you guessed it, very quiet. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. There's your western trough, but down below that for us, partly sunny and very warm. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 89 tomorrow on the 1st of October. That'll feel more like maybe August or something. Thursday, still very warm. Upper 80s are likely, but moisture increases. There could be a few scattered afternoon showers. And this is Friday. Very impressive trough digging down from the north, and that is going to support this cold front nicely. The primary surface low is north of Michigan, with the cold front down to about Muscle Shoals at 1 o'clock. Look at the cold air, the 540 thickness line coming down into northern Missouri. Strong north winds, a chance of wraparound snowflakes over parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota. It looks more like winter. And again, we'll watch for strong storms. The main dynamic support in the surface low is pretty far north, but there should be sufficient instability for some strong storms on Friday. But again, organized, severe weather, not expected. Hey, look at the cool air advection on Saturday. Come on now. The latest data suggesting we will probably not get out of the 60s with a good north breeze. We start the day, I think, in the upper 40s in many areas, and this is Sunday. Sunday morning is going to be very chilly. A good chance we'll see 40s with a high in the 70s. In fact, here's a look at the numbers coming off the ensemble. Look at that. The high Saturday only 64 with mid-40s, and this is the plot for Birmingham. Early Saturday and Sunday morning. Goodness gracious. How about that, cool weather fans? Monday of next week, a secondary front comes in from the north, but the air is very dry. We'll call it partly sunny. I guess you might consider a slight chance of a shower, but with the lack of moisture, a big rain event certainly not expected. And this is Tuesday, a reinforcing surge of cool, dry air, highs in the 70s, lows down around 50, just delightful fall weather. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is the 16th of October. Heights are coming up a little bit across the deep south, and if that's right, the weather would be dry and fairly warm. And again, the GFS putting down a tropical system near Miami, but we all know that probably won't ever happen. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.